What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So from one of my live streams in the last week, I talked about Ethereum and how I stake Ethereum 2.0 over in my Coinbase. And I wanted to get it out because, yes, you can stake it for 5%, but you can stake it for a lot more over on crypto.com. Well, there might be an option where you can stake Ethereum for a lot more without having to put in the money that you would have to put in for crypto.com. So we're going to do a quick update for you guys, give you guys some information here. I just came across this on my phone, so I decided to send this to the computer and we can talk about it. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos just like this one. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, feel free to follow me on Twitter. I have a lot of updates when it comes to crypto, Shiba Inu, CRO, BTD, my coin. We just have a lot of updates there, so if you want to follow me there, definitely follow me there. Also, if you're a fan of Shiba Inu, we have a 12-hour live stream going on right now where all of the member revenue, the profits go directly towards burning off Shiba Inu. The chat revenue go towards burning off Shiba Inu. The ad revenue goes towards burning off Shiba Inu. All of the profits from this Let It Burn channel go towards that. So if you want to hit that link in the description, it should be in the description, the Let It Burn channel, where we will burn off everything that we possibly can. But the thing I wanted to talk about here was this. Coinbase expects Ethereum staking yields to hit 12% APR after the merge. So this is obviously something that's really good news, because when I look at Ethereum, when I look at Ethereum 2.0, right now you can stake it for about 4.5%, and I may be mistaken, maybe off by a little bit, but I think it's 4.5% APY over on the on Coinbase. And currently you can't trade it over on Coinbase. You can't actually do anything until they allow that to trade it, until they launch it to be tradable, right? And that's not a thing right now. We just have it sitting there and it's gaining interest, but obviously the price of Ethereum has been dropping in the past couple of weeks. So I was interested when I saw this article. I was like, all right, well, maybe I don't have to move anything, because I was thinking about moving it over to crypto.com where I can get 8.5%. But if I can get somewhere between 9 and 12%, which is what they're talking about, we can definitely work with that. So crypto exchange Coinbase Global Inc. projects that the annual interest earned from staking Ethereum, ETH, could double over the next few months. So what happened? In a note to clients on Thursday, Coinbase said it expects Ethereum staking yields to increase after Ethereum's mainnet merges with the Beacon chain in June. Seeing as the rewards will incorporate net transaction fees paid to miners, we estimate that staking yields could rise from around 4.3% to 5.4% APR towards the 9% to 12% APR, which is what Coinbase said, which it was all said in this tweet, and I will end up retweeting it as well. It was from February 23rd, but I just got really the article today. I guess it was just written on the 25th at 11:12 a.m. So I didn't get that across my desk until today, but it's definitely something very, very interesting, which means that instead of worrying about getting that 4.5%, which I won't probably be able to move it until they do something, which is probably going to be way in the future anyways. So why not decide to maybe add some more into Ethereum and then eventually stake it when Ethereum's price goes back up to where it's supposed to be? So that doesn't seem like a bad option, because that was my plan. I was going to add more to Ethereum and I was going to stake it once we got to a point to where I was holding enough, and I would have staked it over in crypto.com for 8.5%. So if we could see the staking APR increase for Ethereum over on Coinbase Pro or over on Coinbase, then I think it would be beneficial to just keep it over there and not do anything, because moving it over to crypto.com will cost me money and probably take a decent amount of time in order to make that back, right? So if it's going to cost me, let's say, $30, it'll take me a while to gain back that $30, especially how much is actually being staked there, which is only like $500. So eventually I will add more to the pot, but I've been staking in other positions that have been giving me a little bit more. So if Ethereum can give me this much, I'm definitely going to take it. So I wanted to throw a little update your way with this Ethereum information. Let me know what you think about it. We're going to do a really quick video today, less than 8 minutes. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, again, follow me on Twitter if you guys want updates to cryptocurrency, to burns, especially, Shiba Inu burns, even, CRO burns. I was going to say crypto.com, but it's Cronos. Cronos burns, anything, right? Just go over there, follow me on Twitter. And again, we do this Let It Burn channel. Feel free to go over there and subscribe. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.